Students, one question is given in your textbook that we have discussed last day, but there only one question is there who got the most points and who got the least points. So to do that particular question, we should come to this part, how to compare. How to compare. So in our home also we will be getting compared with our siblings. ചിലപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ പേരൻസ് പറയും അവനെ കണ്ടോ, അവൻ നല്ലത്, ഞാൻ ഇത്, അല്ലേ, അങ്ങനെ പറയാറുണ്ട്. നമ്മുടെ വീട്ടിലും അവനെ നോക്കുകയെ അല്ലെ ഇവനെ നോക്കുകയെ അവൻ നല്ലതാണ്, നീ ചീത്തയാണ്, അങ്ങനെ പല പല തരത്തിലുള്ള കമ്പാരിസൺ ഉണ്ട്. So we have comparison in maths also. So let's move to this part. So to answer your question which is given in your textbook, we should go ahead with this part. So comparison. Compare using greater than, less than or equal to. ഈ സിമ്പിൾ നമ്മൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കിയെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് ആ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ശരിക്കും ചെയ്യാൻ പഠിക്കുള്ളൂ. So now here this is greater than. Greater than എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ ഭാഗത്തായിരിക്കണം the biggest one, വലിയത്. And here the biggest one should be placed in the right side and is equal to means they are all same. So how to move this? Just see. The first question is given here. 438 and 34. So two numbers are given. First we have to check the number of digits. എത്ര digits ഉണ്ട് എന്ന് ആദ്യം നമ്മൾ നോക്കണം. So here we have 438 3 digits. So in this number we have only 2 digits. If it comes like this, നമുക്ക് ഉറപ്പായിട്ടും പറയാൻ പറ്റും കുറവ് number of digits ആയിരിക്കും small, കൂടുതൽ digits ഉള്ളതായിരിക്കും big. Okay. So big one should be opened. Mouth. The mouth should be opened to the bigger one. കണ്ടോ? ഇതിന് വായ തുറന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് എങ്ങോട്ടാണ്? വലുതിലോട്ട്. Same way here we have 3 digits here, 3 digits here. Oh, there the problem starts. ഇതുപോലെ ആയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ എളുപ്പമായിരുന്നു, പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെ വന്നപ്പോൾ അല്പം ഒരു അല്ലേ കുഴപ്പമില്ല. So we have to check the first digit 2 and here 4. Which one is bigger, 2 or 4? 4 is bigger than 2. So the number which starts with 4 will be bigger. This part should be opened. Okay. Next, third one. So don't be panic. Don't take all the numbers and compare. No, only the first digit is enough here. Here we have again a 3-digit number with 4-digit number. So here also the number of digits is less than the number of digits of this numbers. Here we have 4 digits. Here we have 3 digits. 3 digit ആണോ 4 digit ആണോ ചെറുത്? 3 digit ആയിരിക്കും. So this part should be pointed and this should be opened. Now we have another question. Here we have 4 digits. Here we have 4 digits. And so we have the first digit. First you compare these. Here we have 8. Here also 8. So we cannot compare as such. So move to the next digit. Here next digit. Here we have 5 and here we have 4. Which is bigger one? 5. So this number will be bigger and this part should be opened. Next, I think you understood the trick. Here we have 4 digits. Again 4 digits. The first digit is 9. Here first digit is 9. So they all are same. So we must move to the next digit. 4. Again they are same. So what we have to do? We should move to the next digit, that is 9. Oh, they are also same. So now we have to move to the next one. Here we have 5 and here we have 0. 5 is more than 0. So this part will be opened. Next. Oh, it looks same. Are they same? Let's check. 4 digits, 4 digits. First digit 5, first digit 5, same. Second one 7, 7, they are also same. Here we have 5, here we have 7, so this is small. This part should be opened. Now the last one, 4 digits, 4 digits. First digit 6, 6 same. 9, 9, they are also same. 6 and 6, they are same. 9 and 9 also same. All the digits of this number is equal to the digits of this one. So they are equal. So now you are able to compare two numbers. Did you understand? First you check the number of digits in the left side and the right side. The one with the smaller number of digits will be less than the other one. If they are having same number of digits, what we have to check? Go to the left side. First digit you take. Here also first digit. Compare. If they are different, you can very well stop there the process. Otherwise, you move to the next digit. Here also next digit. If they are same, you move to the next digits. So likewise, we can complete this comparison of numbers, of two numbers. So now, if you are thorough with the comparison of two numbers, we can move to the comparison of more than two numbers. That is ascending order. Ascending order means, see, ascending order means arranging the numbers from small to the biggest. The small number will be written first, then the next number, the last number will be the biggest one. So how to go about? I'll show example. You are grown up, you are brilliant enough to understand, because the same thing you have studied in standard 3 since we were following the other textbook. This year only we got this textbook. Okay, so already you have studied, but I am giving you once more. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. And here how many digits are there? 4 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits. So obviously, see, already it's there small to big. Obviously the smallest one will be here, because this is having only 3 digits. All the other 3 numbers are having 4 digits. So definitely the one with 3 digits will be the smallest. So I cut this and I write like here. Why I cut this number, you know? In order to avoid confusion. Otherwise, we will be looking again 1, 2, 3, 4, all the 4 numbers again. Our eyes will be blocked somewhere. Then again the number which we has already written may be repeated. So, better you cut it and then you have the 3 numbers. So, who is big, who is small? The smallest one you just see. Here it starts with 4, 6 and 1. So, which is, see, 4, 6 and 1. So, 1 is smallest. So, 1543 we write here. Next number, these two we have balance. So, now here we have 4, here we have 6. So, 4285, and the last one will be 6981. See, when we cut this one by one, it will be easy for us to write the rest numbers. So, let's see the next one. Here we have 4 numbers. All the 4 numbers are having 4 digits. So, let's move to the first digit. Who is small? The one which starts with 4. 4343. The next one will be the one which starts with 5. 5738. 5738. Then 2 more numbers are here balanced. So, here with 7. And the last one will be 8891. Then next one. Oh, it's getting a little confusion. I made this to make you a little hard. So 6969. Here also the digits 6 and 9. Here also 6 and 9. Here also 6 and 9. So we have to be very cautious. All the digits are having the same, that is 4 digits. Now here the first digit 6, 9, 6, 9, which is small. the one which starts with 6. But we have two sixes we have here and here. So only these two numbers, next digit we have to check. They are also same. Next number, the next digit 6 and here 9. So who is small? Yes, 6969. Then will be here 6996. Now we have only two more questions, two more numbers. The first one is 9, here also 9, they are same. 6 and 6, they are also same. Here is 9, here is 6, so 6 is less, so 9669. And the last one, 9696. So now this question number 4, I leave you to do this yourself. You and your parents can do, because it starts with 2, 5, 2 and 5. There you can compare two numbers, you can do. You are brilliant enough to do this. Now we may pass on to the next part, just opposite process of ascending order. Ascending order was arranging the numbers from small to big. Now we are moving from the biggest to the smallest. So the same way we can have, but only we have to check the bigger like that word should be there. Here 4 numbers are given. Descending order, see, D, E, S, C is there. Most probably most of you will be writing without C. No, this is spelling, please check it. And that we have to arrange from the biggest to the smallest. So here 4 numbers are given. Here 3 digits, 4 digits, 3 digits and 4 digits. So which is the biggest one? The one with 4 digits. So here we have this and this with 4 digit number, and first digit, there we have to check only the first digits, 9 and 4. So which is the biggest one? The one which start with 9. So just you write, the second one surely will be 4384, since they are having only 4 digit numbers. And next we have two numbers with 3 digits. 3 digits ulla 2 numbers undu. Adile first digits 8 and here 6, which is the biggest one. Don't be get confused. Biggest. Always we have to go for the biggest. So say 848, and the last one is 639. Next, question number 2. Here all the numbers given are having 4 digits. So we have to check all the first digits. 6. Oh, the 6 is the biggest one. But we have 3 numbers which starts with 6. So we have to move the second digit 4, 5, 6. Which is the biggest? Yes, the one having 6. Then we have 5. Then the second digit with 4. And the last will be, it starts with 1. More one question. Yeah, here 4 numbers are given. All the numbers are having 4 digits. The first digit 8585, which is the biggest? 8. So we have 2 numbers which starts with 8. So their second digit we should check, 5 and here 8. So who is bigger one? The one with having 8. And then here, then we have 2. It starts with 5. They are same. So then the next one 8 and 5. So 8 will be the next one. And the last is, clear children? If you understand today's class, then only we can move to the next part of the question which is given there in your textbook. This is not given in your textbook. I myself give you the questions. and we discuss the answers. So once if you do this correctly, then only we can have the questions answer in our textbook. Thank you.